Well, hello everybody. Just want to give you an update. I made $1,500 Friday before the market, before the New York session opened in this account here. Now it's Sunday, so my little green thing isn't showing, but I've got my trades pulled up here. It took me 10 trades to do it, which is entirely too many. But you can see here, I was trading silver except for this trade right here. And this trade right here, I needed $5 to hit the $1,500 mark, which was my maximum daily profit that I'm allowed to do in a 50K account for the consistency rules. So I needed $10 to do that, and I switched from the silver contract, you see here, the SI contract, to the SIL contract, the micro, to get that $10. And you can see here the wins and losses, my P&L right here, going all the way to 24, 24, 24 to this right here. So from here up, these are my wins, and I was scalping, and I hit the $1,500 target. Paper hands, I could have done a lot better. Whatever. That's what I did. $1,500 on Friday, pre-market. I'm really liking the silver contracts. It's a big contract. It's a huge contract. It is $25 a tick, not a point, a tick. And the micro is $5 a tick, which is quite a bit. So you can actually make quite a bit of money on just the micros and lose quite a bit with just the micros pretty quick. But I've had, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. How many days is it? Let me look real quick. This is 1, 2, 3. So this will be 4 days in a row of trading silver that I've done well at. I do want to point out that I blew an account, and where's it at? And I did it on purpose. My 150K account, if you watched an earlier video, I hit the max daily drawdown in that 150K account, which is $3,000. Wednesday or Thursday, I don't remember when. But anyhow, the maximum drawdown where you blow your account is $4,500. Max daily drawdown in a 150K account is $3,000. So I hit the max daily drawdown. But because of the way their trailing drawdown works, for those of you who may not be familiar with TopStep, they have a trailing drawdown. So you start off with 150K. You have a max drawdown of $4,500, max daily drawdown of $3,000. However, let's say one day you make $1,000. You have $151,000. Then your trailing drawdown, instead of having a 46,500, would be, if you're at 150,000, you blow your account at 146,500. Well, if you make 1,000, you now would blow your account at 147,500. In other words, it's trailing up. Make another 1,000 the next day. So be 148,500 would be your maximum loss limit where you blow your account. Well, I had done well in it for a couple days, and that drawdown had brought me up. When I hit my daily loss limit, I had like $800 left in the actual drawdown because of that trailing drawdown. So what I did Friday after market opens, I YOLO'd the account, and I did that on purpose. And the reason I did that on purpose is because Monday they're going to rebill me automatically for that account. Now what happens at the rebuild time is if you have blown your account, when they rebill, it's automatically reset for you. However, if you have not blown your account at rebill, you do not get a reset that you can use whenever you want to use it. Your account's either blown at rebuild or it's not, and if it's not, you don't get a reset. And I made a mistake one time of not going ahead and YOLO an account that needed to, because I had like about $200 left to draw down in it. Got rebuild, didn't get a reset, and that account was gone very quick after that. So I YOLO'd this because I only had 30 minutes Friday after market open to trade. So I had to get I was either going to get the maximum daily profit limit, which is 4,500, or I was going to blow the account because of the rebuild. So that's what I did. The account got blown. I YOLO'd 15 contracts with $800, and at $25 a tick, $15 contract, just one little move, one or two ticks, and that's all it took. But I did that on purpose because I wanted to get back to the maximum. The maximum $4,500 drawdown, start fresh, start over. But I'm instituting some new rules. As you see, I've blown a lot of accounts. I've only got one that's still running. All these others are ineligible. All these others are coming up for rebuild. This one here, 150K, comes up for rebuild Monday. 5 of these come up for rebuild Friday, I think it is. And a couple of them, 2 or 3 of them, are going to drop off because I've canceled them because that's just too many accounts. But what I've decided to do is trade just one account each day. And when I'm done trading that account, I'm done trading for today. I'm not just going to go jump into another account like I've been doing. Now, excuse me, that doesn't mean I'm not going to copy trade one account to another, which I plan on doing. When I get my 50K accounts back, well, with this one to start with, this 50K account, I'm going to copy trade it into my 150K account Monday. And assuming I do well, because I only need I need to hit the $1,500 profit target one more time, 1.5 more times. So assuming I do well, and I think I've turned the corner. I'm hoping I've turned the corner. I'm going to copy trade this account into the 150K account, just be building it up. And then when these other accounts come online, these other 50K accounts, I'm going to be doing the same thing, copy trading it into the 150K account. There will be 2 or 3 days I will have in between this. Well, there'll be probably about 1 day between this particular account saying I pass it. Tuesday, Wednesday, say I pass it Wednesday. That's what I'm aiming for, passing it Wednesday. Then I'll have Thursday, I'll have no other account to trade except for the 150K. But come Friday, when those others come online, I will be copy trading those 50Ks into the 150K until they're passed. And so that's what I'm hoping. Silver's been working out very well. It just seems like I can read that particular market a lot better than I can read the NQ. And the NQ's been eating my lunch. And the only time I can trade the NQ if it's a straight up trend day up, like you see on the one video. And I've got a couple videos where the NQ's been trend day up, and I've made quite a bit of money just trading micros on the NQ. So if I can have the self-discipline, I'm going to set aside the NQ and the ES, except for trend day ups. And this swinging the volume profile top to bottom in a day is yeah. So that's my plan. Unless I see a really strong trend, like there was a strong trend Friday that did break out in the NQ and the ES, but I was gone. I missed all that because I was out. I had something to do. But I'll be looking for stuff like that, really strong trends, before I even mess with those. I think I'm going to stick with the metals. I've been doing okay in copper, doing okay in platinum. Gold, I'm leaving alone because it's just too choppy. But as long as the silver is, as long as I'm able to read Cumulative Delta and figure out the pivot points for silver, looking at the Cumulative Delta, I'm going to stick with silver. And maybe copper is another one I've taken a liking to. Platinum is too choppy right now. So that's the plan. Just bring you up to date. We'll see. Hopefully make another video Monday saying, hey, I've hit the daily profit target again. That's what I'm aiming for. I'm aiming for bigger numbers, holding contracts longer, and you know, the whole spiel. And we'll see. We'll see if I can do this. I'm hoping to turn the corner because I really need to get into an XFA. I need to get an XFA, and I need to pay myself back for all the money I have spent on this. This is piling up. So I'm at a point right now where I have to do this right. I have to make it. I'm sure there's many of you out there that feel the same way. Stick with it. Start doing what you know to do that's right. That's going to be my motto. Do what's right. Do the right thing all the time. Always make the right trade. Whether it wins or loses doesn't matter as long as it was the right trade. Getting in at the right spot, and holding it as long as you can. These are things I'm working on. And I hope this is be an improvement. Now, if you want to check out TopStep, I'd appreciate it if you use my affiliate link below. Even if you don't want to check out TopStep, excuse me. Even if you don't want to check out TopStep, if you would click on the affiliate link below, if you wouldn't mind help supporting this channel, it helps. So if you just click the link, but if you do want to check them out, if you use my affiliate link, I'd appreciate it. You help support this channel. And you guys have a good day. Oh, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment. That also helps this channel. All right, you guys have a good day.